Hello everybody, Michael from Attention to Detail in Tempe. This huge GMC Denali, I put a ceramic on it when it had 300 miles-ish. This is the booster I recommend. It's got a spill on it. It's Amplify Ceramic Spray by Superior Image, hydrophobic, all surfaces, glass-like finish. This is a ceramic booster, nanotechnology. Okay, so this truck now has 53,000 miles on it. Just got done with a 4,000 mile road trip, and as you can see, it just cleans up so nice and easy. Everything still looks super shiny. Hydrophobic properties everywhere, so when you maintain your ceramic correctly, it's going to last, it's going to protect your vehicle, and it's going to be easier to clean. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and have any questions or have any comments or want me to make a video for you on something, subject matter, shoot me an email at detailingintempe@gmail.com. Have a good day.